Guys, welcome back. So this is where I left off at the end of the day. So this will be for Monday. Basically I was just cutting all the pipes for the next thing that I'm going to be working on, which is the sleeves for the whatever these are, the thermostat. So I'm cutting the pipes for the thermostats. I forgot the number, I think they're 72 or something like that. So basically they're just going to be 10 foot, just like all the other ones, sticking right above the ceiling, the top plate right there. So those are for Monday. I still have to ream those ones over there, just using the leftover scraps, combining them with the coupling. And if you remember yesterday, I was somewhere down here on the left side, and basically I went around the whole building and finished a lot of noise, I'm sorry. So I did go around and put all the couplings in. They are sanding the floors, so that's what's happening over there. So I went around from, basically I started somewhere over here, and I went around all the other side of the building over there, so over half of it, like 3/4 of it. And the only two that I didn't get done were these two, because this door frame was in the way and it was like pitch black in here in the morning, so I do have to pipe these ones out to the ceiling. So there's two left there. Other than that, just working on, like I said, I went around and put all the thermostat connectors in, and then finished all the rest of the pipes over here for the low voltage, for the, like, whatever internet, it's going to be for internet, I believe, or telephone, so, or both. So next to each plug in each room there's a set, and one of them is the data, so I just went around and finished all these pipes. And then once I finish all, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. So I finished those, and then once I finish all the thermostats, all those pipes on the ground over there, then I'll have to go around and do the fire alarm right here. So there's probably like 10 to 15 of those, and I can just use the leftover pipes on the cart from the cutting of the thermostats. So basically I can get two of those pieces per pipe, so that's like 40 inches or whatever, or 50 or whatever. So each pipe is 120 inches, and so I'll be able to get two cuts out of each pipe to get above the ceiling. And that's basically my day. Just went around strapping these on each side twice, basically, since they're the tall ones. So you got your 3 foot, I did a little bit lower, and then just one above at the top to make it secure so it's not flopping around. And that's basically all I did today. Again, the same thing as yesterday, just cutting pipes and putting them into the boxes, and then that's what I will be doing on Monday for at least probably half the day. And then we gotta rough this whole area in, so this has to be done by next Friday, I guess. So all the electrical between all the plugs, all the lights, they started that downstairs today, so that is what I will be working on next week probably, I assume, but we'll see. And yeah, anyways, I'll cut to the end scene in the car, and I'll see you there. Alright, so this is what the one building looks like that I'm working in right now. It's just big tilt-up concrete building if you've never seen one before. And as you can see in there, there's all the stuff I just showed you. I'm working on the second floor. And yep. Alright guys, so there's a few things I just want to mention. The thing that takes the longest, I would say, during the day is dragging the ladder around, and also there's stuff in the way, and just drilling all the holes. Otherwise, if none of that was a problem, then I could just slam those up, but that's kind of the process. You just kind of have to go to each room and then set up your station, just your ladder, and grab all the parts, spreader bars, and all that good stuff, straps, screws, So anyways, that's kind of the process that you go through, and I just wanted to say I had a really good day. The only thing that was bothering me, which wasn't really bothering me, was like usually at the end of the day, or I don't know, recently I guess I would say, the last couple hours of the day kind of seemed long, and I kind of ran into that today, but I just kind of ignored it and then was jamming out. So for the most part that wasn't really an issue, which was very nice. I'm gonna cut off all of these people. So anyways, had a really good day. Everything went really smoothly, and except for the blade that broke at the end of the day on the what's it called, the bandsaw, so I should probably notify them of that, so they can get a new one. But anyways, it went super smooth, and I had a really good day. I'm just doing all my work by myself and talking to a coworker for a few times for questions and stuff like that. And yeah, I think there was something else I wanted to say. Maybe that was all of it. But if you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe. Hope to see you guys back here on Monday. Maybe I'll do something over the weekend, I'm not sure. But I'll be doing lots of live streaming every time I get a chance. Basically every time I game now, I'm going to try to live stream, just because I actually know how now. So it's nice when you guys come by and hang out, and hopefully you enjoy watching. Maybe we can play some games together, so check out the description for that. And yeah, that's about it. And if you want to be notified when I live stream or upload videos, hit the notification bell, only if you want to. And hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys back here on Monday, like I said. Alright guys, peace out. Alright, so I think I remember the thing that I wanted to say, which was thanks for all the positive feedback on my last video last night, in memory of my best friend. So I really appreciate that, and glad you guys could enjoy it and bring a smile to some of your faces if you knew him. And I'm glad his family liked it. And anyways, that just really helped make my day. And the fact that one of my favorite celebrity women crushes of several years responded to me in Instagram DMs. So anyways, holla. Okay, anyways, that'll do it guys. See you guys. Have a great weekend. Peace out.